Let's spread these out, babe. Put them in spots where there isn't anything. Let's put this guy up high.
Where are the balls?
Right there. Hang that guy up.
Where are the balls? Where are the balls?
We're all done with the balls. I gotta find some other ones. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean to clock you in the head. Of course, that's on camera. Sorry.
That's okay.
Sorry I got in your way.
That's okay.
Here. You want me to help you out? Here.
That's snowman.
That's a little Santa.
The Santa Claus.
Six. What is that? What is that, Dad?
I don't know. You're gonna get some more ornaments? Here comes Mommy with some more. Look at that.
Whoa.
That's your name.
Okay, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Do we have any bottled water out here?
I'm not sure.
jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Dad,
Yes?
I did it. I can't put this. I can't do it. So can I see? Let's see. What's that? What's Gracie? What's Gracie? What's Gracie, Dad?
She's standing here next to me looking at the tree.
Ready
Yeah.
some more?
Yeah.
Go get some ornaments.
Mm. Mm.
You can go get some ornaments?
Mm.
Here you go, Gracie.
Hey. That's nice.
Mm-hmm.
This is a big instrument. Hi, instrument. This is oh. This is so fun.
You see Libby?
Yep.
Mommy.
You're gonna spread them out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fun. Mama,
Yeah.
where are you? Mama,
Yeah.
what are you doing? I can't do it,
You're
Dad.
making the tree pretty.
Dad, help me.
Don't say you can't. Just keep trying. Try it again.
No.
Try it one more time.
No.
You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, take one. Where do you want to put it?
What's this? What's this?
That's a heart.
What's this? Jingle bell, jingle all the way, all the way. What's the bunny's bed?
Gracie, do you think that Santa Claus is going to come see the chickens?
Yeah.
What is Santa Claus going to bring the chickens?
Fruit.
He's gonna bring them food.
Food. Food.
Do you think Santa Claus will bring the chickens new slippers,
Yeah.
new snow boots?
No. They look so sad.
Who looks sad?
Chicken with the chicken teeth.
Why are the chickens sad?
But I want to go home.
They wanna go home.